Hello, hi everyone. So I have listed down four math problem. This is all four related to the differentiation. So first problem is what we have y is equal to e to the power ax and into cos bx plus c. Correct. So this is the angle, okay, bx plus c for the cos. So now we have to find the differentiation of this dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to what for this? See, first we can do the differentiation, okay, e to the power ax, so cos bx plus c and dx plus cos bx plus c and e to the power ax by dx. Correct. So now e to the power ax, correct. Now this one, right, differentiation of cos x is what? Sin x minus sin x. This is minus sin bx plus c, and then differentiation of bx will be b, okay, so we can write b over here, and c, differentiation of c is 0, so this much is the differentiation of this. Okay, so now this side differentiation of e to the power ax. Differentiation of e to the power ax is what? E to the power ax, and a is into the quotient, right, of x, then it will be a over here, okay, and then here cos bx plus c. So we can take common e to the power ax. E to the power ax we can take common. So here this is minus b sin bx plus c, and here plus a cos bx plus c. Okay, so this is the answer of your first problem. Okay, so first problem is done. Okay, correct, right? Differentiation of cos is in minus sign. Okay, so we'll wrap this. We'll start doing the another problem. Okay. So another problem is what? Let y is equal to under root 1 plus cos square x and divided by 1 minus e to the power 2x. Correct. So we have to do the differentiation. This is problem number 2 solution. Okay. So what we can do? Okay, and here it is a log, right? We can write like this. Okay. So we have let y is equal to log. Correct. So now for this we have to solve. So this is nothing but like this also. If you see log 1 plus cos to the power x cos square x 1 minus e to the power 2x to the power 1 by 2. So power which is into power, it can come out, right, because this is the log. So here we can do like this also, log 1 plus cos square x minus log 1 minus e to the power 2x. Okay, we can do like this. Okay, so see here numerator and denominator are there and log is there. So when we separate it out, so here the minus sign will come and your numerator is different and denominator is separated. So here numerator and denominator दोनों हम अलग अलग कर दिए हैं, जो पावर है उसको बाहर कर दिए 1/2. दिस इज द लॉग प्रॉपर्टी. नाउ वी कैन डू द डिफरेंशिएशन. सो डिफरेंशिएशन कैसा होगा? dy by dx. सो dy by dx व्हाट? 1/2. ठीक है. लॉग जितना यहाँ पर लॉग का क्या था? log x is equal to what of differentiation? 1/x. So whatever is there it will be here. Okay, cos square x. Now here 1 का डिफरेंशिएशन 0 हो जाएगा. cos स्क्वायर x का क्या होगा? cos स्क्वायर x का होगा आपका फर्स्ट 2 cos x इंटू cos का क्या हो जाएगा? इंटू sin x माइनस sin x. So this is nothing but you can see like into, and this is minus sin x. Okay, this is one part. Correct. Now for log 1 minus e to power x, we can do here something like this. Okay, so this bracket is not over, so here we can put minus and we will do differentiation here. So again for the log 1 plus cos square we have put like 1 plus cos square x. So here for the log 1 minus e to power 2x we will put 1 by 1 minus e to power 2x. Correct. Now the differentiation of inside 1 का क्या होगा? 0. ठीक है. और माइनस e to power 2x का क्या हो जाएगा? सेम. एंड ये कॉन्स्टेंट ऑफ 2 है, कॉन्स्टेंट ऑफ x इज 2. करेक्ट है. तो यहाँ पर ये 2 आ जाएगा. राइट. अब ये मेन ब्रैकेट ये क्लोज हो गया. सो अब क्या हो गया? आपका आंसर ऐसा आएगा 1/2. यहाँ पर आ जाएगा माइनस 2 cos x sin x. करेक्ट है. आई हेयर 1 प्लस cos square x. Here minus, yeah, this is the minus and this minus, this will become plus actually. Correct. Now e to the power 2, e to the power 2x. Correct. And here 1 minus e to the power 2x. Correct. So this is what you got, right? And now this can be answer, or either like for the this you can put into trigonometric formula, or otherwise it will be okay if you keep simple and if you keep this much for this, the solution is ready. Okay, so either what we can do better, like here 2 is there, right? We can bring this 2 common. So here 2, here 2, and here minus cos x sin x and 1 plus cos square x plus 2 here e to power 2x 1 minus e to power 2x. Correct. And these two cancel. So in the simplified form we can write this much. Okay, so this is your solution. This is s sine. Okay, so this is answer of your second problem. It is simple. Only thing is that you have to remember the property of log. When something is like this, see, under root means to the power 1/2. 1/2 came out, and you have done what you have done. You have separated numerator and denominator. When it is in the log, if it is into the division form, minus will come. Correct. And then you put down the differentiation. First differentiation of log x, then वट एवर इज देयर इनसाइड द लॉग दैट वन डिफरेंशिएशन। तो 1 का 0 हो जाएगा, तो कॉस स्क्वायर एक्स का क्या बचा, कॉस स्क्वायर एक्स के पहले तो कॉस स्क्वायर का होगा, तो 2 कॉस एक्स इंटू दिस इज इंटू, ओके, एंड कॉस का क्या होगा माइनस साइन एक्स। ओके, सो इसी तरीके से यहाँ पर जो लॉग का है, लॉग एक्स क्या होता है 1/x, तो ये हो गया 1 माइनस e⁻²x, सो वट एवर इज देयर 1/, करेक्ट। नाउ इनसाइड 1 का 0 हो गया, माइनस e⁻²x का सेम रहेगा, और ये x का कोफिशिएंट 2 है तो 2 हो गया, और उसी का सिंप्लीफाइड फॉर्म। ओके, सो विल रैप दिस, विल सॉल्व प्रॉब्लम नंबर 3। ओके, so again this is again into that log form. So let y is equal to log and root 1 plus sin square x 1 minus sin x. Again, so we can write over here log 1 plus sin x divided by 1 minus sin x to the power 1/2. So 1/2 will come outside, and here this is a square, right? Okay, so here we can do like log 1 plus sin square x, correct, and then minus log 1 minus sin x. Okay, so this much we can do. Again doing the differentiation, so doing the differentiation is what 1/2, and whatever is there inside the log it will be 1 by, correct, 1 plus sin square x. तो ये sin स्क्वायर का होगा, 1 का क्या हो जाएगा 0, sin स्क्वायर का डिफरेंशिएशन होगा तो 2 sin x, साइन का क्या हो जाएगा अगेन cos x, right, this much again, then what we are putting minus over here. Okay, this part of differentiation we are doing down. Okay, so again log 1 minus sin x, so it will be 1 by 1 minus sin x, and here differentiation of 1 is 0, or minus sin x is differentiation minus cos x. Got it? So this bracket is this one. Okay, now what we can do here, 1/2, correct, 1/2 we have, and here it is 2 sin x cos x 1 plus sin square x, and here minus cos x 1 by sin x. Okay, and see here this minus and this minus, then it will be plus, right, correct, no? So here 2 sin x cos x divided by 1 plus sin square x plus cos x and divided by 1 minus sin x, and here multiplied by 1/2. Okay, so this is answer. Okay, this is answer of your this problem. Got it? Or here what we can do, one step, this one, right, this is nothing but like sin 2 theta, correct, or 2x we can write. So this one we can write sin 2x 1 plus sin square x plus cos x 1 minus sin x. See, आप यहाँ तक भी बना के you will get full marks. If you write this like this also, this is more simplified way. Here also you will get full marks. So okay, so first thing is that you have to remember log property. And when you remember the log property, it is easy. And to write the simplified form, you should remember trigonometry formula, which is very easy. And those things you know already. Okay. So this problem number 3. This was a solution of problem number 3. This one, correct? So now we'll do the last one. Okay. We'll rub this. So this one, third problem. Second we have done, first we have done. So third is this. Okay, we are rubbing this. So what is the last problem? We have y is equal to log sine ex plus 5x plus 8. It is easy. Okay. So now we have to do the differentiation dy by dx. Then first whatever is there into the log, right, it will come 1y, correct? So 1y sine ex plus 5x plus 8, correct? Now so this one, right, inside differentiation of ex will be the same ex, differentiation of 5x will be 5, differentiation of 8 will be 0, कांस्टेंट का 0 होता है. तो ये हुआ आपका आंसर. सो e to the power x plus 5 and here sine e to the power x plus 5x plus 8. Okay, so this is answer of your problem. Okay, and see this one, right, and here we have to do for this also, right? Here we have done some mistake. So this is what, okay, so like this we can do. Then we have done differentiation of this, differentiation of log, and differentiation of this also we have to do, right? The differentiation of this is something like sin का क्या होगा, cos, cos e to the power x plus 5x plus 8, correct? तो ये हो गया आपका e to the power x plus 5 और ये हो गया आपका cos e to the power x plus 5x plus 8 and here divided by sin e to the power x plus 5x plus 8, correct? तो log का डिफरेंशिएशन, sin का डिफरेंशिएशन एंड इनसाइड का डिफरेंशिएशन, करेक्ट? तो ये cos y sin क्या हो जाएगा, cot, करेक्ट? तो cos y sin हो जाएगा cot आपका. देन आंसर e to the power x plus 5 then cot e to the power x plus 5x plus 8. Okay, so here that time like I missed this differentiation of sin x, so that one I have put it here. Okay, so differentiation of this we have done, differentiation of this is your cos, differentiation of this is your this much. So okay, so it is cos by sin is cot, and it is same, right? E to the power x 5x plus 8, so it is same, and e to the power 5x plus 5 is multiplied. Okay, so this is answer of your problem number 4. Okay, so thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.